Okay, so my check engine light is on. I need a tune, so disregard that. A little late night, a little pool real quick. I ain't gonna go too crazy and I ain't gonna count. No, it's a little song. Oh shit. Put my seatbelt on. Leaving work right now. I ain't gonna lie, I've been slacking on YouTube, but shit. This quick little POV video probably gonna be like maybe like shit 2 or 3 minutes. Never got to do like a full review of my new Mustang. This shit got long tube headers, full exhaust, and a GLT intake. It's pretty loud. All that had motherfuckers flip me off and all, but I don't give a fuck. The grind is real. Goddamn, it's cold as fuck. And I got the windows down so I can hear the exhaust. Hopefully I can hear me though. I think that's a Ford Galaxy right there. That shit loping at the light. It's clean. Hopefully I get a good view. I ain't gonna lie, cause it's like my second time using this head device, so. One thing about the stick, man, it's so goddamn loud. That's one thing I hate about driving stick in the city. Like, I'm in third gear, you can't really do nothing for real. And I can't push it how I want it, because you know I need my tone, so yeah, that's why I was throwing that sail light right there. But other than that, I ain't gonna cap. Excuse me. This car been real good to me. I ain't gonna lie. Get a lot of looks. People like it. I like it myself, shit. Let's see how long I keep it. I kind of got my eye on something else, but I'm gonna see what when I get that tone. I'm gonna see on my head at. I see some Charger headlights behind me. I'm not sure if that's troll. I hope not. I ain't gonna count. Not trying to get no goddamn ticket. I'm only going 40 miles an hour though, so I mean he can't do nothing. Hopefully ain't too much wind noise either, shit. I ain't gonna lie, it's too cold. I gotta roll these windows up. Gotta definitely get some tent too, you know, cause I hate a fishbowl. Shit ridiculous. What the hell is these folks doing? It be people like this make you miss your damn life. Come on, get your ass out the goddamn way. Slow driving ass. Goddamn shit. Drive like molasses, dog. Look at him. Nah, that wasn't troll. Well, they had like a what's it called? A support the police attack, so it could have been undercover. Who knows? You know how them boys get down. They gonna get you. But yeah, this is my second Mustang. For insurance purposes, I can't say what happened to the other one, but I was not the driver. Yeah, man, shit. I drove all the way to Pompano Beach to get this damn car too. A long ass drive. I spent like, what it was, $213 on an Uber, well, a Lyft. You know, I like using Lyft instead. And yeah, came back down to you know, good old Melbourne shit, and it's been it. It's pretty cool. It's loud as hell. I had a couple people flick me off, shit like that. But then again, I ain't gonna lie. This way louder than my black one, so I could give a fuck what the motherfuckers gotta say. I'm gonna rev this bitch up. I'm gonna slide it. I'm gonna rev match it. I'm gonna do whatever the hell I want to do. It's my money, my whip. So shit. Well, the bank whip, but you know what I mean. But yeah. Hopefully I can hear the exhaust better with the windows rolled up. I'm not sure if I can. I'm over here recording with an iPhone. See how the quality is at night. Not sure. Hopefully my damn my lens they like dusted up. I work a goddamn outside job. So, but yeah, man, it took me about 3 months to get another. I guess you could say like another vehicle that I like, because I already had I got a little sidecar, you know. I'm barely supposed to be driving this, but my sidecar need to get some work on it done. So, you know, I'm driving the Mustang for now for the daily. But usually this ain't my daily, I ain't gonna lie. Don't really feel like daily driving the damn V8 with these gas prices. That shit insane. Man, like they say, you gotta pay to play. It ain't that bad, I ain't gonna lie, it ain't that bad compared to people I know. It take corners pretty good. Obviously, I wouldn't recommend this doing it wet. You know, the Mustangs get up under you pretty easy. God damn, you drive slow as hell, dog. I don't know what Florida got going on with this damn cold shit, but it ain't it. And I fucking hate it. Come on, light, let's go. I be having people trying to race me and stuff like that. I'm like, hey man, I got a CDL. I'm not racing your ass on no damn public road. Like, first of all, you trying to get my license fucked up, and you trying to get a ticket. I ain't got time for that. When I had my black Mustang, even before I had my black Mustang, I had got tickets for 10, all types of dumb stuff. So I mean, I'm trying to stay clear out the way. So who the hell feel like taking a day out just to go to the DMV to pay a damn ticket, or online, you know, however work out for you, shit. One ain't supposed to be doing too much talking, but hey, gotta get out something to hear shit other than this goddamn this Mustang. Hold up, buddy. Hold up. Hold your ass up. With a rushing this shit. Alright, that's it for now. I'm gonna try to get some end of day, like daytime POVs, cause you know this dark shit ain't it to me. But I appreciate y'all. Enjoy the video.